Hello? Okay. Um, 8 minute timer.
8 minutes counting down.
Alright, so I'm working on keeping these videos 10 minutes, at least 10 minutes the most. So shorter would be better, but 10 minutes the most. Just so that way they're not so long and right to the point. So today, I don't have the video playback because it's actually. Did I mess up? Yeah, it's actually loading up right now, right here. So I wanted to keep that open. So today I had some levels on the pre-market. Oh, actually, I have it on my computer. Duh. All right, so we just play the videos from the computer. So I'll play the pre-market one real quickly, and then I'll play the. All right, so today is
The regular one.
January 27th. I am going to pre-record the. All right, so let's zoom through here. So we can see that NQ and ES were just demolishing levels pre-market. Um, we have some strong buying here. There's a lot of volume right here, which caught my attention. We had an absorption candle here, heavy absorption right here that pushed price up. We see prices rising. There's no green buying, so I'm still short. Why? I'm looking for shorts. It's move this out of the way. It's 8:46, so we still got some time before the market opens, right? I cleared up my charts, and I basically was left like this, like straight skin and bones. And so we came to this nice area where I wanted to see price fall to when I was trading during the week, but it looked like it traded the Sunday night session all the way down, which is ridiculous. It undid like the whole. If you look at, if it were just, I guess I can't point to it. So Monday's here, right? This is Monday. Tuesday, Monday was Martin Luther King Day, and also the inauguration, and then Friday. And so basically from Thursday last week, which was the 23rd, to that Sunday, it undid all of that. Price just destroyed anybody who was trying to go long, had any stop losses, right? Even into that Wednesday, which is the yeah, even the Wednesday, because it went below that. Because this is I believe this is a news candle that pushed up, and then price just kind of held there. Either news candle or something else. I forgot what happened on that Wednesday, which was the 22nd. Was that when? Hold on. Monday last week is that Wednesday's the 15th. I don't know what happened on the 15th. I really can't recall. I don't know, but something happened on the 15th that pushed price all the way up here. Um, I'll have to look back at my videos, but I didn't even trade the 15. I think it was President Carter. I think it was for President Carter who had died, and then the markets closed. Uh, President Carter funeral. I think it was the 15th. Nope. Maybe it was the 9th. Okay, I don't know what happened on the 15th. I can't recall. So, anyways, I needed to find new levels to help support any thesis that I could find, but I was very strong short because all of the buying that we had here, we basically cleared all of that up, except for right here, right? We cleared all of that up, even on the 4 hour time frame, right? We destroyed all of the buying. The 1 hour had some support of buying here, and then wow, okay, and then the 30 minute had buying as well, which I am not showing. So I went to look for just anything. So I had to find the 30 minute. I found the 30 minute absorption right here, right? And also became like a 30 minute supply zone. Looking for price to kind of reject this area. And then that was that level. Then I found a 15 minute absorption right here, with some strong selling. This one here was more important. The 60-30 area was more important than all the other levels that I had. And but I think the most important one was a little bit higher. No, I think it was this one here, the 60-30 to 60-45 area. Let's double check. No, it was, yeah, that was the area I was really speculating on. So I'm gonna go back to this area here on the actual charts. Let's do that. Let's find that on the actual charts. Right here, let's do a blank chart. Let's go to default. And that error came from this right here. Nope. What time frame was that video? 15 minute. Oh my gosh, are you really just gonna keep popping up all of them? Alright, 15-minute time frame right here. Alright. So high 644, right? And we can hide this. So this right here, we see strong selling inside of the RSI. Strong selling inside of the RSI. A pause break. So this right here should have stood out. We have strong buying, and then we can see that price pushed out of that, right? Strong selling in the RSI with a pause. All right. So that's the level that I consider important, but I started from down here through the absorption, and probably could have marked this level up here. And I was looking for price to reject, and I started adding minor 1 minute levels above the top because, well, I have to respect the fact that these 1 minute levels, they have played an important part. So those were basically my levels for ES, and then NQ, basically about the similar levels that was being created, same exact way, same exact ideas, without, you know, going too much into like changing it up, trying to keep them very the same. How I mark ES is how I mark NQ, and also working on VIX, because VIX also had a level that I did not mark until later on, and it made sense. So that was the pre-market level. Let's close this out. Let's go to the actual session. I saw something pre-market that created. I saw something during the session that created FOMO. Okay, I got a few minutes left. So right at the open, I saw that we were absorbing right here. We can see that we're gonna have some volume. Once I change this over, let's jump out. Okay, you can see that we have some buying, strong buying I need to fix these. All right, so that's why I was so late to it. I got 2 minutes. 2 minutes. So we have some strong buying volume right here, right, coming in on top of this Wednesday, this weekly low. We have this absorption here, absorption there, and I'm looking at it. I'm looking at this, trying to figure out what's going on. But as I'm setting up NQ, I am watching ES develop. Then I saw the strong red volume candle with the yellow candle, and I thought about I should just buy here because it looked like we absorbed heavily. And if I had just bought here, you know, but it's a little too late now. Right now, price is just like really destroying, and I couldn't find anything on NQ to support that. Like, I noticed this late because like, what did NQ bounce off of? I have nothing there. So all I could do is watch and monitor price move 30 points up to this level here and a little higher before it starts to reject. So I watched this price move. All right, like in that 1 minute moved up 30 points. It was a bit insane. Or sorry, that 5 minute moved up 30 points. In 1 minute moved up about 15 points. So now we're in this area here. All of these buying RSIs come in, so I can't go short anymore, right? Because we moved up with a ton of buying RSI that we need to actually clear. It also, it appeared on the 5 minute, It didn't appear on the 15 or the 30. But we are getting some strong buying here. Right, we got some strong buying there on all of these. So those candles were turning green. So I didn't take any. Am I over already? Damn, time goes by fast. Alright, it's 10 minutes. Alright, so I'm gonna wrap this up. Alright, so I didn't take any trades here at the open. We did finally start to slow down. This right here looked like a potential. We cleared it, but I needed this green to turn black eventually. So I wasn't looking for anything there. So now that we moved below, I could have been looking for a long. I'm in the short, because we cleared most part all of this, and we had this buying up here that was left, right? That fell. And we have a buying that couldn't go through. So I could have looked for something up here. I'm just gonna jump, right? Because price does go and nick it before going down. And then that's where our selling right here goes up and nick it. Boom, right? We had the black, boom, and we go straight to that level, right? Stop loss could have been up here, so about 5 points. If I go to go here like that, right? We came to that area that I had marked. This is where we had that red level. Right, price came down. No. This one would have been wrong. I would have been stopped out eventually. This one here. Right, this one came here, pushed down. I would have to move my stop loss after this one, but I mean, that's a nice little run. Getting an entry around here. That's 13 points. So even if I move my stop loss to get 2 points or 5 points, whatever it may be, I know that I would have to clear these. So, you know, if I got stopped out for break even, I would have been happy with this one, and I just would have to just wait. And then we got the opportunity that came around 10:34. So let's just jump forward a little bit. Here we go. So we had a black. We pushed up. Right now it's kind of out of the question. We go to this higher level here. NQ go hits the weekly low. While NQ's at weekly low, VIX is at a VIX is at, this is what, 1031. VIX is over here at this level. VIX is right over here. If I zoom out, you see that this is an area where price bought, and I forgot how I marked this, but I think this is, I marked it because price paused around here. So it ended up being an area where price paused and went higher. And I hardly could find an absorption candle on the lower time frame or higher time frame. Maybe I'll find like an absorption in that zone. Maybe. No, I didn't say anything, but we do have a pause, right, which becomes significant in the hour. I think I marked it from the hour, and I have a pause. So price came there and absorbed, and then we came and we bounced off of it. No, that's not how it worked. It was the 5-minute absorption that appeared right there. All right, so price came towards it to absorb, and then it bounced off of it around 1040. So here we go here. Price hits that RSI, drops below, and it's a Herb and this drops below, and then we start selling off after that. And then my trade comes in soon. I trade around 11:20, so I'm waiting here. I like that we're having this trend line here. I'm looking for a pullback. I like this red RSI. I like this red RSI right here, showing that maybe we're going short. I like that we cleared all of these RSI's buys, so now, you know, the potential is for price to go down. I like this, and I enter. We hit the we hit this RSI and reject it. This RSI rejected, and I entered stop loss right above that. So 24 to 31. I did get a little nervous because the price did pull back a little bit, and now I'm looking for an exit at 460.12. I would like the price to go down to 60, but we do have the strong RSIs here. That price did not clear yet, and NQ is right at its. Now we got the RSIs that appeared. Still looking to get to this 2-to-1, but I am at 10 points. Willing to risk it to fully exit. I have my stop loss initially right here, right above this one here. After this candle closes, I wanted to go short, but price dropped. I wanted to go short a second time at this candle, but price dropped significantly. And then we started getting absorption. And after we got the absorption, I noticed that I did not too much like what price was doing. And then I exit the trade right there, because we are basically holding this level. I saw the absorption. I didn't like what price was doing, and we hit this level too many times to not break it. I did have my stop loss here for a minute, and then I stopped it, but moved it here, and then I just fully exit. And then upon exiting, price did move all the way back up, move all the way back down, move all the way back up, and really started taking. What is this? This is a reset at the beginning of the day. All right, and then I think towards 12 o'clock you can see that we basically bounced around, and then all right, didn't too bad. It's about 20 minutes, and then after this sell here, because the sell was right here somewhere. All right, price came back up. Let's say it was like that. Yeah, this looks better. Alright, so price came back up, came down, hit my 2-to-1 finally. But as you can see that we have these RSIs selling, they hit these bottoms. And then price basically started redoing back in this direction back up. All I can say is that I did have an opportunity to potentially go short right here. I like this buying that came in with the idea of hitting two tops. Crap, hitting this top right here. Right, this, boom, RSIs, bam, and then ending it. And then that's pretty much it, right? There's not really much I can do about anything else, but this was probably the nice range to trade, because we have an RSI here at the top, rejection, but down here, reversal, because this is now it's a bottom, two bottoms in one session. I do like the 1230 that came up here and then moved back down. So the move was potentially there, but we had buying and selling just here, as long as we didn't get too above or too below, but selling was still in the forefront of the entire day. Nice absorption here and a day push up. This is probably going to be important. 30-minute candle, strong buying, right? We're in the buying candle. 15-minute candle, buying-ish candle. So it's just like, so the 30-minute was leading. We still had buying down here, volume, buying, volume, selling into buy, right? So not really going to continue lower if price is just so weak. Let's look at NQ real quickly, and then I'm walking away from this. This NQ, we zoom out, we can see that strong buy came down to this level, came down to initial balance low, which is also this, and bounced very nicely at 255, pushed up. One minute, nice RSIs into that level, doing bottoms, moving back up. Nice to the top here, but not sure what it's rejecting. So not interested. 15-minute. So we didn't get any of my absorption candles afterwards. We're just inside this huge buying proxy right here, right? So selling into it, couldn't hold, and then price moves up. So that's it for today. Sorry I took too long. I went over 10 minutes. See you tomorrow morning.